This is REALME GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click at this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively, which, well, does not take a lot of time usually since, well, depends on what kind of connection do you have, how fast it is, but usually since the Opera is a relatively lightweight application, it does not take long. In my case, it's somewhat stuck at the pending status, which tells me that I have some other apps currently updating. So I will cancel all the updates and see whether it will kickstart the Opera download process. Well, so seems like the Opera now gets downloaded finally, and as you can see it happens fast as I've already mentioned. Now we'll wait for it to get installed. See whether it happened or not. Okay, here I have my Opera. So now after you have successfully gotten the application, you gotta launch it and set it up. It's nothing complicated, just tap continue over here, choose if you decide to enable notifications, or perhaps you would like to set it as your default browser app. And in here you can either customize the permissions and some privacy stuff that you will grant an access to Opera, or you can simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser already. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.